My lovely child. Changes can happen now as your feelings come into full bloom. Consider how you honor others in the context of your close relationships. New revelations may occur directly, especially about your leadership skills, sense of independence, ability to initiate and start new things, and intimate relationships. Symbolic enlightenment is happening in your life with the full and bright moon in the sky. Since these new feelings and revelations are emotional, perhaps you should exercise caution in expressing them. Type yes if you agree.